So hello guys, hopes everybody is doing well. In this video update we will talk about BTC. So if you guys are new in this channel guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. You get some free value like this and some free updates and some free trades, right? You guys can exactly see this. I shared this free trade with my members and it went into good profit. And secondly, if you guys are not following me on X guys, make sure to follow me on X to get some free value. Yesterday I shared and I shared this trigger. We will look for some long or some bounce right here, and if I show you something, you guys can exactly see this. We are up of almost like 9%. So that's why join my free Discord, follow me on X as well. So guys, before wasting any time in this video update, we will completely overall analyze the market. So before wasting any time, let's get going. We will talk about BTC, Ethereum, Hype, DOT and many other. So guys, make sure to comment down what we should follow and what we should what we should cover for you guys. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. You guys can exactly see this. We are trading within this cluster. I told you guys yesterday, guys, make sure to follow me and make sure to follow my updates, because that's very important. And most of people just just ignore that stuff, which is not good. So guys, we are trading within some of the very important channels right here. Come on. I guess I got disconnected. So guys, we are trading within one of a very interesting channels. Like this is the first channel which we traded and then we broke out. So this was the first channel when we broke out, and this is the second channel in which we are trading. So this is another channel in which we are trading right now currently. So when we were trading right here, I told you guys, when we were trading right here, I gave you one trade, and then once we reached this area, I told you guys we will get into this space, and this is where we got, and then we saw a bounce, but we got a clear rejection. And if I show you some sort of a daily time frame, you guys can exactly see this. This is a daily order block, and look at this. This is the daily order block. This is a bearish engulfing candle. We are trying to get above into it, we are getting a rejection. Any single time we are getting into this area, we are getting a rejection. So the very important thing for bulls to control over is to go back above 100k, and this is what we should do, and then break out and then push the price to the upside. This is what bulls can do to defeat bears. Otherwise, what I can personally feel is we can definitely get a retest back to this level, which is very easy. I don't think so it's very difficult for the bears to push the price, and right now it's doing some sort of a fake pump, and it's usually Sunday, so I don't trade right now, and I will definitely wait for the price to reach little bit higher prices, and this would be a perfect area to get going. And secondly, one of the most important thing right here is any single time we are getting back into this zone, we are getting a bounce this time as well. So why not this time? And maybe we see some sort of a deviation. You guys can definitely enter on this retest after the deviation, but still possibly I don't get any sort of a confidence until we flip this daily order block which I showed you guys. This would be a perfect area. At least trade within this range. We are not even trading within this range. Whenever we are coming back into this order block zone on the daily time frame, on the lower time frames we are seeing weakness, and now it's pumping. The main move will be definitely happening tomorrow, so we will get into that as well. So let's focus on Ethereum right now, and I can definitely let me show you some sort of a very important thing, that is BTC dominance. We'll talk about BTC dominance right now. BTC dominance is some sort of a breaking down to the downside, but guys, you guys can exactly say there's some of a very important levels for the BTC dominance right now. I don't think so. It would be very harsh for the crypto space if we get back to this resistance zone. There are a few of the resistance zones from here which I can tell you. Main resistance zone 61.50 cents. We need to hold below this, and right now if I show you, this is some sort of a bearish retest of this 61.5%. The next resistance 63.2%, and after that 64 is the resistance, and once we start to flip above that, this is 71%. The main important thing right now, I will definitely tell you on alts, because the what you say, like, the dominance has a direct relation to alts. I will definitely show this relation with Ethereum. The problem which we are facing right now is this wick. This wick is unfilled. If we get this wick filled and then dip to the downside, this structure is still stable. And if we get a dip, we will come back again. This is not good. So to stabilize this wick, this is very important. In the meantime, I can definitely show you this wick. On the alts, we have wick to the downside, and the alts should go to the downside to fill this wick, and then the price should pump up. But for the dominance, the wick is to the upside, so the dominance should pump to the upside, right? And the alts should pump to the downside to push the price to the upside. So it's not good, seemingly not good for Bitcoin, for altcoins. That's why it's some sort of a very risky situation to get into alts and to get some sort of a blind low leverage longs. I don't think so it's a good idea right now. Secondly, I told you guys about Ethereum. We should flip this area. And then I personally think is whatever you have on Ethereum, you guys must sell some of Ethereum right here into this area. That is 103k, like 3.2k to 3.4k. This is your sell zone, and then you should wait for the retest back, and then later on we should pump. Right now what's happening, we are doing some sort of 50% retracement, which is still not filled. It's around 25.16, and then 2350 $100, and then around again $2100. So these are some of the very important, guys. Make sure to screenshot this. Make sure to screenshot this chart. Once we start to flip above, we can push the price to the upside. Once we get into this area, you guys can definitely add again, and this is your area. If you guys want to buy in spot, this would be your perfect area to get into some spot position if you guys are not in on ETH. This is what I will say. This is your area. Very simple. And then DCA lower. This is a simple flip. This is a flip we need to push the price at least to this zone. This is a simple thing. Now the same situation, this is the alt situation. Every single altcoin is facing this situation. We are trading at the lows, so any single time, this is suppose Polkadot. This is a good coin, guys. This is a very good coin, but sometimes it's bad, sometimes it's very bad. You guys can exactly see this. Last time we also had this dip, as well, but right now we are doing again this thing. If we get back like this and then push the price to the upside, it's still okay for us. But I will say is these are the lows. This is the bear market lows. Look at this. We are at 2023. You guys remember Bitcoin was trading, I guess, around 26k. So Bitcoin was trading at 24k, and Bitcoin right now is trading at 100k, and Polkadot is again trading at the same zone. So this is something that we should look after. Like, you should do good strategy, you should adopt different trading style. This is one thing. You should adopt very good trading style as well, and at the meantime you should not lose a hope as well, because they will recover. And you guys can exactly see this right here. This is some sort of a good support area, volume support area from here as well. This is exactly sitting at $4.50, I guess, and this is a good area. If you get like $4, from $4, what I can personally say is $8 is still definitely a good area, right? Other than this, if I can show you some sort of a very important stuff which I shared, this is Jupiter, guys. Make sure to follow me on this as well. Jupiter is trading a very good coin. Make sure to add Jupiter around the 75 cents if it's given. Hold that. Very important coin. Other than this, good update on Pepe. This is a big imbalance. Good volume support area. If we hold this on Pepe, it will definitely recover as well. This is Nearcoin. I already updated some updates about Nearcoin. This is Nearcoin, guys. This is a good volume support on the weekly time frame. If we held this zone, $3.24-25 zone, if we held this zone, we can definitely see a recovery. One thing you guys can definitely do, maybe these levels are given or not later on, but this is a good buying zone. You guys can definitely buy right now if you guys haven't bought any near right now. It's definitely down, way down, like almost 60-70%. Buy right now and then definitely DCA back into this $2 zone. Very important, guys, very important. Other than this, if I show you TIA, I will not recommend this coin because it's way down. I don't know, but still there is a chance. We had a 50% retracement, already done 4.82 cents, and then we can definitely push if it gets parabolic, whatever you can say. And to talk about BDC again for the last time, this is the low, higher high. If we print a higher low right here, we can definitely expect higher high. But if we lose this low, then we need definitely a confirmation. After, like, definitely what I can expect is that we will definitely go to the all-time highs, but we should, like, you should position yourself in such a way that you not get liquidated in this big moves to the downside. Low leverage longs with good margin, and this is the area where you should position yourself from this level to this level. First entry, second DCA entry, then another DCA entry into this zone, and then hold it. I will definitely expect the price will definitely go to 120k from here. Simple as this. Secondly, this is hype, guys. I gave my members hype exactly at these lows. You guys can exactly see this right here. I gave my members these lows on 1st of January to buy around $20 and $18, and from this area, it's in front of you guys, we reach almost like 28 cents. It's up of almost like 50%, so it's not a joke. I will definitely again say my entry should remain the same. I will not buy right now. I will wait, like as I expected. BDC can definitely dip down. You will be given back into this zone. If it's given back into this zone, you guys must buy hyper liquid into this area. And what else I should cover for you? INJ, if I cover INJ for you, this is the thing which is happening right now on INJ. It was a very good channel, but it turns out to be a nightmare for the holders of INJ. We got again and again rejection, and this is what I expect. This is what I told my members about Jupiter. Jupiter is trading within this range for a very long period of time. Like the way, come on. Like this INJ was trading, everybody was buying these lows. But at this time, if you buy a good margin, and if it dips like this, you got liquidated. And at one point, what I can personally feel is a lot of guys will buy this lows, and it will dip down to 60 cents, liquidate every single person, and then the price should recover from there. So that's why I say, if you buy right here, you must have a DC amount, and just trade spot right now. I will not recommend anything else, and I hope so it makes sense for you guys. Make sure to follow me on my Discord. Make sure to follow me on my Discord, and if you guys want to join my premium subscriptions to trade with me, $20 per dollars, $40 and $80 and $200 are the subscriptions. You get some free trades and a lot of stuff. So these are the wallets given right here. You will send the subscription amount to these wallets given right here, and you guys will be added into the premium Discord. And I told you guys, I guess, about every single thing. INJ, I will definitely tell you INJ. What we can expect about INJ is that this is almost a 50% retracement of the wick. It got a bounce, so we need to hold these low. That is exactly $13 from here. So guys, if you guys are listening this some sort of a tickling or something, like a different sound, it's definitely within the background sound, right? You guys can exactly see this is disappearing now as the song goes off. So this if we hold this, it's good, or either it will go for the wick filling. So I personally feel it's a good area, but we don't have some sort of a good support. You guys can exactly see this. We don't have a good support. So from here, if we bounce about like $50, if we go back, if we pump back, it will get a rejection right here again. $15 to $16 zone, again a resistance. $18 is again a resistance. The best thing would be to flip this range back, and then this would be a good area to get in. And I hope it makes sense for you guys. Take care of BTC dominance, nothing else. Take care of BTC dominance, and guys, make sure to follow me on my Twitter index. I give you free following, like free value, completely for free. As always, until next.